Hey guys, it's Sasha. Welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to be testing my favorite mascara, but since it is summertime, we are going to be doing a waterproof and non-waterproof comparison. So on one eye, I'm going to do waterproof, and on the other eye, non-waterproof, and we're going to see which one looks better and which is easier to come off. So this is optional, but I'm just going to curl my lashes because I need to. And try not to poke your eye out. So the first one I'm going to start off with is the waterproof one, and I'm going to put this on my right eye, I guess. This is my favorite mascara. It is amazing. Literally just from Ulta, and it is, the price will be on the screen on either side. But this is by Essence, my favorite. I love it so much. And you guys will see why. Oh wow, okay. I have not used this in a long time, but so far, it really separates the lashes. Oh my god, that's crazy. The difference already on my lashes. Oh my god. And on my lower lashes that I don't even have. So this is the first one that I used. My mom's like, make sure you show the product and don't move it around the screen like that. I'm like, I know. So that was the waterproof, and then this is the non-waterproof. And this is the one that I use every single day because, yeah, I kind of need a new one. Okay, so they both kind of look the same. I feel like the waterproof one was a lot easier to apply, and it kind of went on my lashes a little bit more smoothly. I don't know if it's because this is a little bit more new and I barely use it, except in the summer, or if it just is a better formula since it is waterproof. But it did separate my lashes a lot more than the other one. I don't know, they both kind of look the same to me, but let's see now what happens when I take it off, which is going to be a little bit more difficult, I feel like, for the waterproof, but let's see. But these are the two that I use. This one on this eye, and the non-waterproof on this is my left eye, so these two. Now let's take it off. Hopefully I don't have raccoon eyes. So, got my makeup remover, just a little tiny one, Neutrogena, and I'm going to remove both sides. I'm gonna actually see which side removes a little bit easier. I have a feeling it's going to be the non-waterproof mascara that removes a little bit easier, but let's see. Look how cute it is. And then wait for it. It expands. Let me start on the left eye, which is non-waterproof. Now I have contacts in, so it's a little bit more difficult. Okay, that removed so easy, but I'm not surprised. Okay, so that's pretty much all removed. Now let me do the waterproof side. Are you gonna come off? Okay, let me try the upper lashes. Wow, so the waterproof is a little bit more difficult to remove, which actually is a good thing because now I know that it really is waterproof, but this is just a makeup remover, so let's try and remove it a little bit more. I want to pull it out, no. So I see that it is removing a little bit more now, but the waterproof mascara is definitely still put. But the other side is all removed. So I'm really impressed with the waterproof side. This is probably the best waterproof mascara that I have ever used. And it is such a good price, and it's just so good. So I would say that maybe try swimming with it. I mean, of course you don't want raccoon eyes, but if it's hard to remove with makeup remover, then why don't you guys test it out by like going into the water, you know? So I like this one a lot for the summer.